Hello everybody and welcome back to the memory of Sidi Hal in order to find out the natural heritage and to explore the historical weight of the region. We are now in in the middle of the forested area of toufliht, which has the most famous and the most known national campaign because there is charming nature and very beautiful nature. Toufliht, it is good destination for making sport and climbing the high mountains and to discover the wild animals and the medicinal plants. Then everybody is invited to visit this wonderful place in order to live a real adventure and making the trekking inside the forest. And this area, it is very convenient for the tranquility and to calm and making a picnic with your families and with your friends, and everybody have to come in to this beautiful place. We have to encourage the people to protect toufliht because it is considered a part of our heritage, patrimony, and the common cultural. And thank you for watching the video.